The 10 Best Self-Help Books for Women. Hello ladies, welcome to Single Moms Make Money. This is the place where you will gain knowledge on how to make money. For regular updates, please hit the cute little button and subscribe and tap the bell icon for future videos. Now let's make some money ladies. Let's discuss the top women's self-help books and more. I am a keen reader of books who is glad to state that reading changes my life and money as a whole. I received new ideas and new perspectives from reading, which finally contributed to my personal growth and success. Profits from reading books, so I always have a ton to contribute when people ask me about my opinions on the finest ladies' self-help books. That is why I've put this list of the best female books. So many excellent things are there. Moreover, reading books offer several health benefits, including reducing stress and anxiety, helping you fall asleep faster, increasing overall life satisfaction and happiness. Whether you're interested in personal finance, career progressions, business, or personal development, this ultimate selection of women's finest self-help books helps you succeed. These are books that I have read over the years and books with outstanding opinions that were recommended to me. The books in this video will teach you about personal finance, investing, personal growth and more. Books on personal finance, book investment, workshops, women's entrepreneurship books, books on personal growth. The finest personal women's financial books, personal financial books, are in the highest category for women's self-help. In the categories below, in their 20s, 30s, 40s, and beyond, you will find some of my favorite books for women. You may construct a foundation for your money to develop and live your greatest life. These books are perfect for beginners and will improve your lives. You'll be encouraged to do what you need with your finances and money. Why am I supposed to read money books? Financial books inspire and drive me to stay up to date with my financial programming and focus on long-term financial objectives. The training in personal finance by reading also helped me to reach a huge financial milestone. In just 3 years, I have saved over $100,000. If you ever want to have financial freedom, learning about finance and money is vital. For you and your family, you must discover diverse opinions and perspectives. A recent study indicated that rich individuals read the most prevalent hobby. We know that some of the best people with money and business read a lot. But all personal finance books are not identical. I hear a lot of this, but this is my understanding. Financial notions are concepts of finance. And while they are not significantly changed, the diverse methods in which people execute these key financial concepts and tactics for their financial success are fantastic to learn. Personal financial books offer a range of views and strategies for you. And it's crucial to be able to keep you involved in what you should do to accomplish your economic success if you read them sufficiently. Moreover, it is not uninteresting to read personally from the perspective of others, particularly when the writing seems unbelievable. As women earned money, our financial success must be defined by us. Reading to learn is a terrific way to begin. This is the following finance books for women. 1. Millionaire Women Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley. This book is the women's version of Millionaire Next Door. He tells the stories of women millionaires and how they built their wealth. 2. Nice Girls Don't Get Rich, 75 Avoidable Mistakes Women Make with Money by Lois P. Frankel. You'll learn the common mistakes that are holding women back from financial success and in turn, how to overcome them. 3. Smart Women Finish Rich by David Bark. In David Bark's book, he lays out his 9-step plan for establishing financial security and building long-term wealth. 4. Spend Well, Live Rich, How to Get What You Want with the Money You Have by Michelle Singletary. Michelle lays out the 7 practical money lessons she learned from her grandmother. She then shares how she's implemented them to build a wealthy life and how you can too. 5. Rich Bitch, a simple 12-step plan for getting for financial life together finally by Nicole Lapin. Nicole lays out her simple 12-step plan to win with your finances, including laying out the mistakes she made and how she overcame them. 6. Live It, Love It, Earn It, A Woman's Guide to Financial Freedom by Marianne Olszewski. This book is a mix of personal finance and motivational advice. Marianne inspires you to surround yourself with people and situations that will push you towards success instead of away from it. Best Women's Investment Books. Investment learning must not be frightening and intimidating. These new investment books are ideal for people who simply learn how to invest. Furthermore, this subject is discussed in some of the best personal finance books. To have financial freedom, it is vitally important for women to understand investing. Studies have revealed that women have a fewer chance of investing, and when they are older they start. Investment from a young age is essential to benefit from long-term profits and compound interest. The younger you start to invest, the better when you choose to retire. Investing books for women. Number 7. The Women's Guide to Successful Investing, Achieving Financial Security and Realizing Your Goals by Nancy Tengler. It's an easy-to-understand guide that you can implement for long-term investing success. 8. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing, The Only Way to Guarantee Your Fair Share of Stock Market Returns by John C. Bogle. John shares how to be successful with investing in low-cost index funds. Number 9. The Intelligent Investor, The Definitive Book on Value Investing by Benjamin Graham. Learn how to build a long-term successful investing strategy and avoid costly mistakes. It focuses specifically on investing for value over time. Best Female Business Books. Building a business is not easy, and learning, reading, and creating our clientele are constantly balanced. The more we can learn from others that already existed, the better our companies will be. We can grow quickly to do what we love and to make money. These women's self-help books will help you expand and earn from your business. Especially when over 50% of new companies close in the first 5 years. 10. She Means Business. Turn Your Ideas into Reality and Become a Wildly Successful Entrepreneur by Carrie Green. Carrie's teaches you how to turn your passion and dreams into a money-making business. She also focused heavily on mindset and believing in yourself, something that is necessary on the entrepreneurial journey. Bonus books. Business Boutique, A Woman's Guide for Making Money Doing What She Loves by Christy Wright. This book will help you build a business around what you are passionate about. Christy's advice and tips are precisely what you need to start your business today. Great for beginners. Girl Boss by Sophia Amoruso. This book will help you follow your instincts and build a business by throwing out the old way of doing things and doing what works instead. Girl Code, Unlocking the Secrets to Success, Sanity, and Happiness for the Female Entrepreneur by Cara Awul-Labour. Learn how to build your confidence and help other women while building a community of support, not one of jealousy and competition. Profit First, Transform Your Business from a Cash-Eating Monster to a Money-Making Machine by Mike Michalowicz. This book will help your business be profitable from the start and helps you break down exactly how you should structure your business finances. The E-Myth Revisited, Why Most Small Businesses Don't Work and What to Do About It by Michael E. Gerber. Learn from years of experience about building a small business and do what works. Learn what essential processes to put in place, what to outsourcing, time management, and more. The 4-Hour Workweek, Escape 9 to 5, Live Anywhere, and Join the New Rich by Tim Ferriss. Learn how to be more efficient and optimize your time with these simple tips so you can make more money while working less. $1 Million Women, The Essential Guide for Female Entrepreneurs Who Want to Go Big by Julia Pimsleur. Learn the fundamentals of networking and how getting the right support can help you build $1 million business. From fundraising to finding the team and mentors, this book walks you through it all. The use of these women's self-help books helps you to develop money, career, business, and thinking. A good book can inspire you and motivate you in your personal and professional life to achieve the next level of achievement. Reading books to support your personal and professional growth is extremely crucial. The more you study, the more quickly you can grow into who you were supposed to be. I dare you to read a book a month and discover how it can improve your life. I hope you are inspired by this selection of best women's self-help books. As always, ladies, please hit the cute little button and subscribe and tap the bell icon for future videos. See you soon and toodles.